Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be showing you a little upgrade on this F150 Tremor. Going to be putting a 3-inch lift on it as well as a larger tire and wheel package. Ford did a good job with making these trucks look a little more aggressive from the factory, but as always, we want a little more. Today, got a 2023 Ford F150 Tremor package. We jumped this thing up a little bit with a 3-inch Readylift leveling kit and upper control arms. We also went ahead and upgraded to the 285/75/18 Toyo RT Trails. If any of you have seen these trucks before they're modified, they are extremely low in the front end. It takes 3 inches just to level them out. It really looks nice with this setup. Perfectly level. The tire fills the fender well really nice on the factory wheel. No rubbing, no scrubbing, no upper control arm interference with the 285/75/18. Just a really overall great look. Ride and drive perfect, just like factory. Doesn't have any poke outside the fender well on the stock wheels, and that's exactly what this customer was after. Just wanted a real tall tire on the stock wheel and the fender well, just like the factory would have had it if it would have came this size. Thanks for tuning in today. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate you.